Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the thinking mode or the reasoning mode on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started right away. When you open up the DeepSeek AI application and log into your account, you will be taken into the chat page right away. Now inside the chat page, you can see three different modes. This includes the instant, the expert, and the vision mode. You can be inside any of these modes if you wish to use the thinking option. Now within the message box where you type your prompt, you can find the think option. If you tap on this, it will toggle the thinking mode right away. This mode can be useful if you want your chat model to generate intermediate reasoning or the chain of thought before producing your final answer. To use the thinking mode, once you have it selected, you can type in any analytical or reasoning type question. Here I have a question asking to decide between a power source for a small business. I have provided two options of solar panels and wind turbines. After this, I'm telling the AI to think about the cost, reliability, environmental impact, and scalability to give an analytical response. After you send it, the thinking mode will do some research and it will begin to generate your response. Now you can see the thought process of the AI engine as well. It will be shown in steps and you will get your response based on the analytical thinking and the data that you have provided. This is a great feature for analytical reasoning to test out your ideas and check their implications. You can also combine the think mode with image research or upload a PDF directly by tapping on the plus icon. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable the thinking mode or the reasoning mode on DeepSeek AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.